Video ito ay pag-aaralan naman natin ang tungkol sa subtracting rational numbers. Subtraction means taking away something from a certain number. Let's first start with the subtraction of rational numbers in fractional form. So, in subtracting fraction, tandaan natin na ang pwede lang nating isubtract ay yung mga similar fractions. Which means na later, kapag binigyan tayo ng dissimilar fraction, kailangan nating gawing similar muna iyon bago tayo makapag-subtract. Let's say you were given 4 over 7 minus 3 over 7. So, yung rule lang naman in subtracting similar fractions is subtract the numerators and then copy the denominators. So, sa case na to, magiging 4 minus 3 over 7. And what is 4 minus 3? 4 minus 3 is 1 over 7. Number 2, 5 over 9 minus 7 over 9. So, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, pwede nyong gamitin dito yung rules in subtracting integers. The rules in subtracting integer are, number 1, copy the minuend. So, sa case na to, yung unang fraction yung ating minuend. Copy the minuend, which is 5. Change subtraction to addition. So, magiging plus. And change also the sign of the subtrahend. So, kung positive 7 to, magiging negative 7. And then copy the denominator, which is 9. So, the answer will be, apply the rules in adding integers. 5 plus negative 7 is negative 2 over 9. So, ang sagot natin sa tanong na to ay negative 2 over 9. Number 3, negative 4 over 11 minus 2 over 11. Kagaya ng number 2, we are going to follow keep, change, then apply the rules in adding integers. Keep or copy the minuend, which is negative 4. Minus will become addition. Positive 2 will become negative 2 over the denominator, which is 11. And then apply the rules in adding integers. Since pareha silang negative, so what we're going to do is add the numbers. 4 plus 2, that is 6. Keep the sign since pareha silang negative, so magiging negative 6 over the denominator, which is 11. So the answer is negative 6 over 11. Since wala namang common factor yung 6 and 11, we leave it as it is. Ito na yung final answer. 2 and 4/5 minus 1 and 3/5. So, may dalawang way para masagot natin yung problem na ito. Yung isa, we are going to use the vertical, yung pagsagot natin, or kaya naman, pwede nyo naman siyang i-convert into improper fractions para masubtract nyo ng mas madali. So, gagawin natin yun pareha, and then, kayo na yung mamili kung alin sa inyo yung mas magiging madali. Left side, ang gagawin ko is yung pa-vertical, and then sa right side, ang gagawin ko ay yung improper fraction. Sa left side, magiging 2 and 4/5 minus 1 and 3/5. So, una, isubtract nyo muna yung fraction. So, 4 minus 3 is 1 over, copy the denominator, 5, and then the whole numbers. 2 minus 1 is 1. So, the answer is 1 and 1/5. What about the other solution? Yung other solution is, pwede nyo siyang i-express into improper fraction. Magiging 2 and 4/5 will be 5 times 2 plus 4. So, this will become 5 times 2 is 10 plus 4, 14 over 5. So, while the other one naman, 1 and 3/5 will become 5 times 1 is 5 plus 3 is 8 over 5. Let's subtract. So, we have 14 over 5 minus 8 over 5. So, 14 minus 8 is 6. Copy the denominator 5. Or, 6 over 5 can be expressed into mixed number. Just divide the number. 6 divided by 5 is 1. So, 6 minus 5 is 1 over 5. So, yan ay matitira 1 and 1/5. Ito na po yung sagot. So, pareha ba sila nakuha ang sagot? pareha naman. Pwede nyo gamitin yung improper, pwede nyo rin gamitin yung vertical. So, yun ay about sa similar fraction. Punta naman tayo sa dissimilar fraction. So, dissimilar, magkaiba naman yung ating denominator. So, let's say, binigyan kayo ng 3/4 minus 1/2. Actually, yung process na gagawin natin dito ay parang katulad lang ng addition dissimilar fractions. Meron tayong 3 steps to follow at pwede na natin gamitin yung butterfly method. Hahatiin ko na lang yung board natin para mas madali nyo makikita yung difference ng dalawang method. For the left side, I'll be following the 3 steps, and then for the right side, I'll be following the butterfly method. In subtracting dissimilar fractions using the 3 steps, number 1, find the least common denominator or LCD. The LCD is the least common multiple of 2 denominators. So, number 2, rename fractions to similar fractions using the LCD. Number 3, subtract the resulting fractions applying the rule in subtracting similar fractions. Una, hanapin muna natin yung least common multiple ng 4 and 2. So, magiging 4 and then 2. So, ano ba multiples ng 4? We have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Yung 2 naman, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Since ang kailangan lang naman natin ay yung least, and sa ginawa nating paglilista, may nakita na kagad tayong least common multiple. So, we'll have 4. So, magiging 3/4 minus 1/2 is equal to yung bago nating denominator, which is 4. Dito ba may magbabago ba dito? Syempre wala. So, kukopyahin lang natin yung 3 kasi pareho naman sila ng denominator na 4. And the next, 4 divided by 2 is 2 times 1, that is 2. Yung ginawa ko dito is yung step number 2. Rename fractions to similar fractions using the LCD. Yung last step is to subtract the resulting fractions. So, isasubtract na natin to, applying the rule in subtracting similar fractions. Magiging 3 minus 2 is 1, and then copy the denominator, which is 4. The answer now is 1/4. I-check natin kung magtutugma yung 1/4 sa isang method, which is the butterfly method. 3/4 minus 1/2. Una, let's multiply 3 and 2. And then, lagyan natin ng antenna. And then, later, 1 and 4. Lagyan din natin ng antenna. So, 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 1 is 4. And then, multiply the denominator. 4 times 2 is 8. So, you'll have 6 minus 4 over 8. And then, subtract. 6 minus 4 is 2 over 8. Since 2 over 8 has a common factor which is 2, ibig sabihin, pwede natin siyang i-express into lowest terms. 2 divided by 2 is 1, 8 divided by 2 is 4. Pareha ba sila ng result? Pareha naman. Nasa inyo na kung ano yung gusto nyong gamitin, either the butterfly method or the 3 steps. Now, paano kapag ganito yung binigay sa atin? Kapag po mixed number ang binigay sa inyo and nag-deal kayo with the similar fraction, the easiest way para i-solve to is first, change the mixed number to improper fraction. 4 and 2/3 will become 14 over 3, while 1 and 1/6 will become 7 over 6. Yung improper na gagamitin natin for the 3 steps and the butterfly method. Una, hanapin natin yung LCD ng 3 and 6. So, we have 3 and 6. So, you'll have 3, 6, 9, 12. And then, for 6, we have 6, 12, 18, 24. Kung mapapansin nyo, meron silang dalawang common na denominator, which is 6 and 12. Pero, ang usapan kasi, least common denominator. So, yung pinakamababa is 6. So, yan na yung ating magiging bagong denominator. 14 over 3 minus 7 over 6. It will become yung bago nating denominator, and then you subtract. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 14 is 28. Para makuha nyo yung bagong numerator. Again ha, 6 divided by 3, that is 2. 2 times 14 is 28. Kaya po ito naging 28, yung bago nyong numerator. Next, minus, may magbabago ba dito? Since pareha naman silang 6, walang magbabago. Kaya kukopyahin ko na lang yung 7. 28 minus 7 is 21 over 6. May common factor ba yung 21 at 6? Syempre, meron. Ang common factor ng 21 and 6 ay 3. So, magiging 21 divided by 3 is 7. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So, we have 7 over 2, or pwede nyo rin siyang i-express into mixed number. Kung gagawin nyo siyang mixed number, yung 7 over 2 ay magiging 3 and 1 half. Yung final sagot, it's either 7 halves or 3 and 1 half. The same problem, let's have the butterfly method. 14 over 3 minus 7 over 6. So, multiply 14 and 6. It will become 84. So, yung una nating numerator ay 84 minus 7 times 3. That is 21. So, this is 21. Over 3 times 6 is 18. So, this is 18. And then, subtract 84 minus 21 is 63 over 18. So, ano common factor ng 63 and 18? 9. So, 63 divided by 9 is 7. 18 divided by 9 is 2. From improper, we have 7 over 2, or in mixed number, we'll have 3 and 1 half. So, pareha lang sila ng mga naging sagot. So, nasa inyo na kung ano yung gusto gamitin sa dalawa. Punta na tayo sa next part. Let us have now the subtraction of decimal numbers. So, kagaya lang to ng addition on decimal numbers. May dalawang way ulit tayo. Una, pwede nyong i-express yung decimal into fraction, or pwede naman na arrange the decimal numbers in a column such that the decimal points are aligned, then subtract as with whole numbers. So, ang gagawin ko na lang is yung number 2, yung i-arrange natin yung decimal numbers in column, and then we subtract para hindi na masyadong nakakalito when it comes to transforming decimals to fractions. 57 and 7/10 minus 35 and 1/10. Una, let's write it in columns. 57 and 7/10 minus 35 and 1/10. So, magkatapat yung dalawang decimal point. Magkatapat yung tenths, yung ones, and yung hundredths place. Then we subtract. 7 minus 1 is 6. Then copy the decimal point, so katapat lang din. 7 minus 5 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. So this is now the answer. We have 22 and 6/10. Number 2, we have 1 and 25 hundredths minus 25 hundredths. 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Copy the decimal point. 1 minus 0 is 1. Ang final answer nyo lang dito is only 1. You don't need to include the 2 0 since whole number naman yung ating sagot. Next example, we have 3 and 75 hundredths minus negative 1 and 45 hundredths. So, sa ganito, bago kayo mag-subtract, you have to follow muna yung rules in subtracting integers. So, sabi doon, una, keep the minuend. So, kukopay lang natin yung minuend, which is 3 and 75 hundredths. Yung minus, magiging plus. Yung subtrahend, magpapalit din ng sign. So, from negative 1 and 45 hundredths, magiging positive 1 and 45 hundredths. This time, instead of subtracting, magiging addition na. 3 and 75 hundredths plus 1 and 45 hundredths. 10, 12, and 5. So, the final answer is 5 and 20 hundredths. Tandaan nyo kahit decimal yan, kailangan nyo pa rin i-follow yung rules in subtracting integers. Next example, we have 18 and 275 thousandths minus 13 and 575 thousandths. Sa case na to, pwede nyo i-apply ito, pwede namang hindi na, since naman, mas maliit naman yung subtrahend. So, pwede ko siyang idiretso kagad na subtraction. Ang 18 and 275 minus 13 and 575 75. So, subtract 5 minus 5, that is 0. 7 minus 7 is 0. So, 2 and 5 cannot be. So, we'll have 7 and this will become 12. So, 12 minus 5 will become 7. 7 minus 3 will become 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. Ang sagot natin, hindi yun na kailangan include yung dalawang 0. Magiging 4 and 7 tenths. Yan na yung sagot natin. Subtract the following numbers. Number 1, 3/4 minus 1/5. Number 2, negative 4 over 9 minus 5 over 9. Number 3, 7 over 10 minus 3 over 20. Number 4, 8 and 75 hundredths minus 3 and 25 hundredths. Number 5, 6 and 3 tenths minus 2 and 45 hundredths. Number 6, 4 and 18 hundredths minus negative 4 and 18 hundredths. Pwede nyong itigil ang video for 5 to 10 minutes habang kayo ay nagsasagot. Then, i-continue nyo na lang kapag kayo ay mag-check na ng inyong sagot. Let's check number 1. 11 over 20. Number 2, negative 1. Number 3, 11 over 20. Number 4, 5 and 5 tenths. Number 5, 3 and 85 hundredths. Number 6, 8 and 36 hundredths. Sana ay matulong kayo sa video ito. I'll see you next time.